everybody, welcome to the video. Thank you for tuning in, and today we're going to try something a little bit different. This is the first time I've ever narrated a video, but I felt this house made a lot of sense for us to do that. And this one had so many items, thousands it seemed like, of pieces of memorabilia, collectibles, antique dishes, antique furniture. So we had a decision to make. During this process, the seller did not want to take any of his items, and that was a first for us. Sometimes when we acquire property, people leave things behind, but usually it's trash. In this case, we really had to take our time, look at what we had, and we eventually ended up settling on a garage sale because there were just so many wonderful items in the home. We also had several friends come out, take different pieces, collectibles. We kept some of the items, and it was actually built into the purchase price. And with that being said, normally when we do these videos, we show before and afters back to back, but we really wanted people to be able to appreciate the volume of the items in the home and the work that it took to clean everything out. I think we spent the first 2 weeks just cleaning things out and going through everything and taking time for the garage sale. But I think we did a really good job on this house. Shout out to JC Vet Wash for cleaning everything up. It took him at least a week to get everything done, and this house took us about 10 weeks because of that process. But here we go, coming soon. We're about to have the after. As you see, everything was nice and clean, and voila, beautiful floors, beautiful paint. We removed the burglar bars. Luckily at this time the neighborhood isn't the way that it was 10, 15, 20 years ago. Brand new appliances. We really tried to modernize the space and try to keep some of the same features as the original house. And this was also a first because in this market, the people who moved in needed to have their stuff ready because they sold their house. So as you can see in the video, there are items in the home. We just had to make it work for them because they were ready to move in, and we were certainly ready to sell it. So this was another fun day at the office. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and thank you again for tuning in.